In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to find an app called Themes that's already on your device, and when you're ready, click on it. Then find Perfect Theme by clicking on the search bar at the top right corner and typing in whatever you want to. Or by operating all of those categories on the left: Featured, Categories, and Top. Either way, after finding a perfect theme, you can tap on it and buy it thanks to blue button. Or if you selected any free theme, just tap on download right away. When you see apply option, click on it and tap on discard or keep in magazine unlock pop-up. Then wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing Themes app again. And this time tapping on me at the bottom on the left. Now tap on any of your preset themes and hit apply button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!